feel as parents, like you have incredible daughters.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. But how does it feel to, and this is for everyone else, but how does it feel for you to share so much of your life with so many people?
You mean in the books?
In the book, but just publicly, just period. Like we've had so
She
many
is just so
moments
funny to
where
me.
there's been a magnifying glass of you.
Oh, so many moments all the time.
All the time.
Be through. I love
So
her energy.
how do you get through those moments when it's too much? Honestly speaking.
Well, I think as you get older, and we have gotten older, all of us, right? And as you grow older and you understand contentment and having perspective of peace, you just don't let those sounds into your head, and you sometimes, most of the time, I don't look at that social media, and I think we all have grown to know not to really engage in that.
Yeah.
Not me.
I love it. Bad bees. Bad bees. If my mama was a savage.
And that, there are what comes along with this whole thing that looks so glamorous and so amazing, and what people don't like to talk about is the fact that when you are a public figure, that people get to lie on you, they get to make up rumors and all of these stories, and that if you respond to it, then you get attacked for that. If you don't respond to it, they're saying, oh, they're quiet because it's the truth. I don't do as well as Matthew does with that. Sometimes I read things and my hands just start involuntarily wanting to type out and go off on somebody.
Yes.
Sometimes it happens.
Sometimes I do. And I get in trouble for it. But, I think it's gracious to be able to ignore this, but when somebody's talking about your kids, it's very, very, very hard to just listen to that. And, sometimes you get enough of it.
Absolutely.
So it's been real hard. I don't want to act like it doesn't bother me because it does. Yeah, and I'll fight somebody about it.
Yes. Go off then, Miss C.
That's the beauty about life. We have different perspectives and ways. There's no right or wrong.
Right.
We're in the music industry.
Yes.
I have a reputation in the music industry. I don't have to say much.
Yes.
Well, that's
Yes.
good.
Yes.
You know?
People go into Sony and remind all of these executives when they get too much of a big head, just remember who covered these lights.
Or to Kanye.
I remember.
Or to Kanye.
Whoa. Look at Miss C. Someone don't say that. Go out then. We gonna say daddy.
Way about ours. Maddie, thank you so much.
Yes. Oh my God, I got my life.
You want to say something, Mom?
Oh, no. I just want to thank you for coming.
Wow.
I always have parting words of just hopefully motivation. Can y'all stand with me?
Yes. Okay, Beyonce, daddy for lead us in prayer. I told y'all.
Oh, I'm coming on this side.
But here I am, LAX years ago, and this is the heyday of Destiny's Child. You didn't have security. Believe it or not, you could go up to the gate, and you've experienced this, both of you, getting CDs and business cards. So this one particular thing, and this is what I want to leave you with. I'm going down the escalator, and there's a nun from Mexico that says, please give, the missionary. And I gave. I didn't read what was on the back of that card for weeks, and then I found it, of all places, car wash. I have all these business cards, so I'm going through it. I want to leave you with this. On the back it said, pray not for a life free from trouble. Pray for triumph over trouble. For what you and I call adversity, the universe, God, whatever name you use, for what you and I call adversity, universe, God calls opportunity. Love you, ain't nothing you can do about it.
Whoa! Thank you. You talking about drop the mic. Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so done with him.